up in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Jennifer, also known as TheJenniferMonique. If this is your first time, welcome. If it's not, welcome back. Alright guys, so it is currently Tuesday morning. Let me get back to focus. Okay, maybe I'm back. I don't know. The sun's behind me. But anyway, it's Tuesday morning. Yo, hold on. Whew. Okay, anywho, it's Tuesday morning, like 9:04. I'm getting ready to make me a little breakfast. I have a little time to get dressed, get ready before I have to go to work. But I want to make me this salmon that I got from, where'd I get it from, y'all? Aldi's. Salmon from Aldi's. So I'm about to make that because I kind of want to put it on like a bagel or whatever. Sorry, the lighting's crazy. There it is. I want to put on like a bagel with like a scrambled egg and some cream cheese and all that other jazz. So let's just get that started right quick. Like, here's the salmon I picked up from Aldi's. Here is the Mediterranean herb Atlantic salmon. So we're gonna put this in the air fryer. Let's get going. So this is the finished product here. I did take the skin off because baby, I don't eat the skin. So of course it's just the bagel, the Philadelphia cream cheese, I think garden vegetable, little egg, and then the salmon on top. Bam. Some people add cheese. I don't know, y'all. I don't know if cheese will go good with salmon. So I'm gonna skip that. So this is the finished product. Oh, wait a minute. Let's put, baby, every piece is getting on that sandwich. There we go. And this is the finished product. So if you have it Aldi's, make sure you go and check out that salmon. My homegirl Brittany actually told me about this and I have loved it ever since. But we're probably gonna eat this for dinner too. Well, not this, but eat the salmon for dinner with some vegetables. But I really wanted this, so boop. Y'all, so I was headed to go get me an acai bowl from this place called Soul Bowls, but the road I was taking is like closed. I went 2 ways so far, and each way has led me to road closure. So I have to drive like all the way, I won't say all the way, but like 5 minutes back up the road, go up the road maybe 3 minutes, and then come all the way back down. I'm just trying to figure out, is this $10 acai bowl worth it, or should I just go to Tropical Smoothie and grab my like peanut butter crunch, because that's how I'm feeling right now. Because come on now, I'm a little sad about this, because I had my mouth fixed for acai bowl, but I'm like, this traffic and having to go all the way around the world, girl, it's a no. And I'm so sorry, this road is so, I feel like every road when I be driving is like real bumpy and raggedy, but this one, it's not as raggedy as the other ones, but it is. So I think what I'm going to do is just order something from Tropical Smoothie, because by the time I drive all the way back up this road, 5 minutes, I'm gonna be 3 minutes away from Tropical Smoothie versus me driving 3 minutes up and then 10 minutes back down the road. So y'all, I'm just, thank you for helping me work through my thought process. I'm just going to go to Tropical Smoothie. I'm going to politely pull over and order that, because I guess I could go through the drive-thru. I could, but that's what I'm about to do. I appreciate you guys helping me work through my thought process, because I was trying to figure it out. You better walk, sis. You better walk, sis. I'm passing by the park and people are walking. Get it in, sis. Get it in. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Thank you guys, really appreciate it. Y'all, I just looked out the door and you see this wall? He is building a wasp nest. Oh no, that has to come down ASAP. Let me politely text my husband and let him know he needs to spray that this evening. He's building a wasp nest. Oh no, not at the front door. Not at the front door. But anyway, back to what we were actually doing. You don't need to worry.
'cause I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me? Think all the kind